अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट इशाल खान और आप देख रहे हैं लर्निंग ट्रिक्स। गाइस, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी केमिस्ट्री के पिछले 3 साल के पास्ट पेपर्स के बारे में सेकंड ईयर के। ओके गाइस, अब टाइम ज़ाया किए बगैर वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले केमिस्ट्री सेकंड ईयर चैप्टर नंबर 1 के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। गाइस, आप साथ साथ इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेते जाएं। सोडियम, सिलिकॉन, क्लोरीन आर प्रेजेंट इन सेम पीरियड ऑफ पीरियोडिक टेबल but they have different melting point. Why? Number 2 है salts of beryllium have four water molecules as water of crystalline. Explain how beryllium is associated with four water molecules. Then oxidation state. How does inert pair affect the stability of +2 and -2? Electron affinity and electron enthalpy of fluorine is least than halogen. Why? Hi is stronger than HF. Justify it. Why is bond enthalpy of FF less as compared to chlorine chlorine and bromine bromine? Hydrogen fluorine is weak acid than hydrogen iodine. Why? Then long question chapter 1 में एक ही है. How beryllium differ from other members. Then chapter number 2. सबसे पहले short questions. Variable oxidation states. Number 2. Explain why transition elements have high binding energy, variable oxidation states, or form substitutional alloy. Number 3. Binding energy. Number 4. Paramagnetic and diamagnetic. What feature of electronic structure is directly related to these properties? Number 5. Alloy formation. Number 6. Why coordinate compounds contain complex molecule or ion and independent existence? Number 7. Legends and its type. Number 8. Chromate dichromate equilibrium. Number 9. Reaction of hexaaqua copper 2 ions with hydroxide ion and ammonia solution and carbonate ions. Now चैप्टर नंबर 3. चैप्टर नंबर 3 से सिर्फ एक ही क्वेश्चन आया है, वो भी शॉर्ट में. इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स एंड ऑल्सो डिफाइन फंक्शनल ग्रुप. नंबर 4. मार्कोनिकस रूल. Number 2. Polymerization. Number 3. Difference between stereo isomerism and structural isomerism. Number 4. Optical isomerism. Guys, आप साथ साथ स्क्रीनशॉट लेते जाएं. Number 5. Structure of modern representation of benzene. Number 6. Resonance energy. Number 7. Nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts, alkylation and acylation with mechanisms. Number 8. Describe rule to determine if a group present in mono-substituted benzene is ortho-para-director or meta-para-director. Elaborate with example. It is a long question. Chapter number 5. Preparation of Grignard's reagent. Number 2. Reactivity of Grignard's reagent. Number 3. Reactions of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is most important in this chapter. Number 4. Preparation of amines. Number 5. Preparation of diazonium salts. Number 6. How will you convert butanone into acetic acid, 2-butene into cis 2-butene, ethyl chloride into ethene? Now chapter number 6. Number 1. Explain following terms by using ethyl alcohol as example. Number 1. Dehydration. Number 2. Ether formation. Number 2. Give reaction of following alcohols with mixture of K2Cr2O7 and K2SO4. Number 1. 2-propanol. Number 2. 2-methyl 2-butanol. Question number 3. Preparation of phenols. Now there is chapter number 7. Which of following give aldol condensation? Justify. Also draw diagram of product obtained through aldol condensation. Number 1. Benzyl aldehyde. Number 2. Formaldehyde. Number 3. Acetaldehyde. Question number 2. Kaniser's reaction. Number 3. How does acetic reacts with HCN, NaOH and hydrazine? Number 4. Reaction of Grignard reagent with acetone. Number 5. Aldol condensation. Number 6. Polymerization. Number 7. Write down mechanism of acid catalyzed nucleophilic addition of HCN to acetaldehyde. Number 8. How would acetone reacts with following? A. 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine in acidic medium. B. Hydrogen cyanide in basic medium. Number 9. How can you prepare acetaldehyde? Number 2. 1,1,2,2 tetrabromoethane from acetylene. Now there is chapter number 4. Chapter number 8. Number 1, alkaline hydrolysis of ester. Number 2, preparation of ester amides. Number 3, mechanism for acid catalyzed esterification. Number 4, reaction of ester. It is a long question. Then chapter number 9. Number 1, polysaccharides with structure of cellulose. Number 2, types of polysaccharides. Number 3, how does enzyme work? Number 4, models of enzyme. Number 5, chemical properties of lipids. It is also a long question. Number 6, difference between DNA and RNA. Then there is chapter number 10. Number 1, industrial smoke. Number 2, wet dyes. Number 3, synthetic polymers. Number 4, classification of polymers. Number 5, condensation polymers. Number 6, nail polish plus nail polish remover and its composition. Number 7, lipstick. Number 8, define commodity chemicals plus sulfuric acid is also commodity chemical. Give reason of it. Now there is chapter number 11. Number 1, smoke. Number 2, chemistry of photochemical smoke. Number 3, acid rain plus its impact. Number 4, sources and environmental effects of these pollutants: ozone, PAN, oxides of sulfur. Number 5, automobiles as pollutants and control measures. Number 6, protect ozone. Number 7, industrial wastes. Number 8, lethal tannerides plus health problems, means its health problems. Then there is chapter number 12. Number 1, combustion and analysis. Number 2, spectroscopy plus its principle. Number 3, NMR. It is a long question. Number 4, difference between CW and FT. What is meant by TMS? Number 6, atomic emission spectroscopy plus principle. Number 7, atomic absorption spectroscopy plus its principle and its application. Number 8, MS long. If you like the video, then please subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.